The COVID travel ban is being replaced by a new set of rules that will allow international visitors from more than 30 countries into the United States. Phil LeBeau joins us now with more. It's a big step forward, Phil.
Huge step, Joe, and one that the airline industry has been clamoring for a number of months. And that's why some of the scenes that you're going to see today, both from Europe, which we're already seeing, because remember, those people are now in flight, the first people fully vaccinated who will be able to come into the United States. We're starting to see those images, and we'll see images here in the U.S. as people are coming and reuniting with relatives, friends, people who they haven't been able to get together with over the last year and a half. There is strong demand through the holidays. When you look at what's expected, you're going to see transatlantic flights increasing dramatically. Year to date, they're down 65%, and there are going to be high load factors on all these flights. In other words, every seat is going to be filled. So let's look at specific airline stocks, which are bidding just a little bit higher pre-market. United adding transatlantic routes and flights, many of those beginning this spring. Then you've got Delta. International bookings for Delta, they're going to be up. Well, they're already up 450% in the last 6 weeks. And as you take a look at the airline index, one other thing to keep in mind, transatlantic flights down 67% compared to 2019. So a lot of ground for the airlines to make up. And again, we're seeing the airline stocks moving higher pre-market in anticipation that what you will see, guys, is not only a strong surge in traffic from now through the end of the year, but that's going to continue into the spring and into the summer, provided there's not another resurgence of COVID-19 and that the rules do not go back to where they were before. I don't think anybody's expecting that. Nonetheless, what you are seeing right now, long overdue for the airline industry. They have been looking forward to today, and they are finally going to see a big surge in traffic, the beginning of a big surge in traffic.
Early innings, Phil, early innings of a doubleheader, and not one of those 7-inning doubleheaders. Don't you think? Early innings, man.
Right.
Early innings. I think
we're going to have a massive 2022. Provided we do not see a resurgence in COVID-19, you will see a massive 2022 for the airlines, right, especially when it comes to international travel. Next summer, it's going to be nuts on the transatlantic flights.